Hey, what's up? TROY, the maker, checking in. And these are trivets, and I made them with my laser, the GLOWFORGE. This is going to be a 2-layered trivet. The base part of the trivet is going to be a 1/8 inch
poplar
hardwood, and the top layer is going to be a mixture of cherry hardwood and maple hardwood. I graduated from a high school called Maplewood, and of course I was hard. Pause. All of these pieces that I have right here, they all came from GLOWFORGE, and they are all proof grade material. The plan is to get at least 2 trivets today. You don't have to use proof grade material either. You just gotta remember the cut settings. Since we're using some proof grade material from GLOWFORGE, the cut settings is automatically dialed in. Doop doop. On the cherry hardwood, we only gonna cut out the left side of these cutout shapes. We got the materials in and the settings dialed in. The GLOWFORGE button starts glowing. We press it to start the process. Quick tip, if you are new to GLOWFORGE, get you an AC Infinity fan. I have an Amazon link in the description below. It works way better than the internal built-in fan, in my opinion. The next thing we're gonna cut is the maple hardwood. The maple hardwood, I'm only gonna cut out the right side of these cutout shapes. Now I'm going to cut out the centerpiece, which is going to be
poplar
hardwood also, to give it some contrast, I hope. The proof grade material comes with masking paper on them, so when you peel it off, it be nice and clean. I'm going to use some wood glue to attach all of these pieces together. And there you have it, custom made wooden trivets. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you think. And I'll see y'all in the next project. Let's go make something else.